Hey everyone, welcome back. And in last video, we created our first stable resource, that is an S3 bucket. So at that time, what we did, we hard coded the bucket name and the region. Okay, so basically in the real world projects, it becomes very hard to manage these like names and all. So that's why we have a variables. Okay, so today's class is about the variables in the Terraform. Okay. So what is a variable in Terraform? Just like in any other programming languages, we have variables like we define our name and we give some value like a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to something. Okay. So similarly here in Terraform also we have we define the variables for the like we can define the variables for the resource name. Okay, for the region, all these things. Okay. So today we will see we will refactor our S3 bucket code and then I will show you how you can create your own variables. Okay. So first of all, what you have to do, just open up your VS Code and these two files we have created main.tf. In that we are defining the bucket name and then we have provider.tf. There we are defining the reason. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a variable in that we will store the values of these. Okay, these two. So first create a file with the name variables.tf. Okay. Okay. So here what we have to do, we will be defining the variables. So what is the syntax for that? I will just show you here. Uh, it will be like it starts with the variable. Okay. Variable. And then we will have some name here, curly braces open, close. In that we can define the description. We can define the type of the variable, whether it's string, int, double, something like that. And also you can give the default values. Okay. So we can give any default value here. Okay, and I will also show you how we can override these values as well. Okay, so let's go here. In variables.tf I will be writing variable and then here you can say because of extension we are getting this. So in this we will be writing bucket name, bucket underscore name. It's a simple local variable name. Okay, it's not related to your resource name. Here we will be defining the type equal to string and I can define the description as it's an AWS bucket resource name variable. Okay, cool. And same, we will be defining another block for the reason. So here we can provide the reason underscore name, and then we can define the type as the string, and the description I don't want to give. And here we can define the default value. Okay, that is AP South one we have in our case. Okay. So in this way we complete our variable file. Then to use these variables, we have to just open up a main.tf file and there we have to, instead of this bucket name, we can give var. If I do just var, you can see it is giving me suggestion bucket name or region name. So I simply select the bucket name. Okay. And even in provider.tf, I will be doing the same. That is var dot region name. Okay. So now it will access those variables, okay, the values of that, but we have not defined the values yet. So for that we will be creating the another file with name like we give as terraform dot tf vars. Okay, in this we can define the values of these values of those are variables. So we give the name bucket name. So here I can give like bucket name as Ayush 789446123, something like that. Okay, and reason is default, so it will pick the same value, but here we can give the reason and value as well. Okay, AP South 1. Okay, so in this way we can define this. So this file, what you do, this file provides the values to your variables. Okay, so you don't have to enter them manually every time. Now what we are going to do, we are going to run our Terraform plan. Okay, so here you can see it's done. And if I will again do the Terraform apply, it will create a bucket for me. Okay, I have to write enter yes. So here you can see AWS bucket is created. Resources 1. Okay, so here you can see the private and the name. So in this way we can use the variables. Okay, so now what is the bonus thing in this for this video? Like we can even override our bucket name. So what we can do, if I will do just Terraform apply, and we can give the var equal to, we have this bucket underscore name, and here we can give the any bucket name, like I will give suppose AV78945612 okay, and I will just try to close the, and I will enter, and I will just open up my, yes, and here if I open my console of AWS bucket, so I should have bucket there. Let's go on S3, and if you see here general purpose bucket, so here you can see the bucket name is now AV789456. So we basically override that. Okay, so in this way you can even override the variables using this -var and the whatever bucket name you are using. Okay, so now I will simply destroy the resource. Okay, so this is like very useful. Okay, so that's it, and I will see you in the next one with the next video on hopefully on outputs in Terraform. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.